Hello everyone, welcome to Thomas' channel. We introduced many configurations of our pneumatic power press machine before. So today I want to introduce you our assembly and test technique. Do you know how to assemble the power press machine? First, we will assemble the crank behind the power press machine. Because we use 42 cm material, it's very hard and it can ensure our crank is very strong and the surface is smooth, so it's low noise. Then we will assemble the gear because our gear use Germany brand processing machine, so the belt is very good. Secondly, so next we will assemble the slider. Here, the slider, because you know the gap between slider with the machine body, the gap is very important. So we will choose the most suitable gap to assemble the slider to ensure our machine is low noise. Finally, we will assemble the electric parts, electric line, air line. Then it will be finished. Then we will test our machine. First, we will test the flatness of the worktable. We will test the noise. We will test the pressure. So we will test the precision. After all tests is meet to your Japan GRS1 class, that means our machine will be finished. Then we will second paint and package ready to delivery. That's all. Thanks for your watching.